Super dancer for finale. Florina Gogoi of Assam wins trophy ₹15 lakh. Florina Gogoi of Jorhat, Assam has won Super Dancer 4. Judges Shilpa Shetty, Gita Kapoor and Anurag Basu crowned her the winner. Florina Gogoi of Jorhat, Assam had won the 4th season of dance reality show Super Dancer. Judges Shilpa Shetty, Gita Kapoor and Anurag Basu handed her the trophy on the season finale episode on Saturday. Florina was awarded with a check of ₹15 lakh from Sony Entertainment Television, and her mentor Tusha Shetty was awarded with a check of ₹5 lakh. Prithviraj from Belgaum, Karnataka was declared as the first runner-up. Sanchit Chanana from Punjab was declared as the second runner-up. Nirja Tiwari from Hoshangabad, MP was declared as the third runner-up. Anisha Mishra from New Delhi was declared as the fourth runner-up. It's one of them was awarded with a check of ₹1 lakh. Apart from this, all the 5 finalists also received refrigerator and air purifier from show sponsor and fixed deposit certificates of ₹51,000 from a partner bank. Speaking about her win, Florina said, "I don't know what to say. I'm feeling very happy and excited. I don't think I will ever forget this day. I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who voted for me and supported me on Super Dancer. And a big thank you to Tushar Bhaiya for believing in me and training me. Because of Super Dancer, I have made many new friends. I will miss them. I want to continue dancing and learn new forms." Just Shilpa said, "I'm ecstatic for Florina and Tusha. It is a proud moment for me, followed by the their fans and viewers. Her entire journey on the show has been incredible. Seeing her transforming into a professional dancer feels good. She deserves this trophy, and I hope she continues to move forward in this manner and succeeds in all her future endeavors."